An infinitive is a fascinating form of a verb that can transform the way we express ideas. Essentially, it allows us to use a verb or a group of words as a noun, adjective, or adverb. This flexibility is what makes infinitives so powerful in our language. You might be surprised to learn that every type of verb can be converted into its infinitive form, including those tricky phrasal verbs. Typically, we form an infinitive by adding the word to before the base form of the verb. For example, to be or to run. However, there are instances where the base form stands alone, and that's something we'll explore later. The primary purpose of infinitives is to discuss actions in a general sense rather than pinpointing a specific instance. For instance, consider the sentence, I need to win. Here, to win is in its infinitive form, acting as a noun. The main action is actually need. We're not talking about winning right now, we're discussing the idea of winning itself. Now, contrast that with today we win. In this case, win is used as an actionable verb. It describes a specific event happening right now. The difference is subtle but significant. The first sentence is about the concept of winning, while the second is about the actual act of winning. Infinitives can also serve various functions in sentences, and while we won't dive into those details just yet, it's important to recognize that they play multiple roles. They can modify nouns, describe actions, or even provide additional information about the verb in a sentence. So the next time you come across an infinitive, remember its unique ability to encapsulate actions in a broader context. It's not just about what's happening. It's about the potential of what could happen. This versatility is what makes infinitives an essential part of our language toolkit.